guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Michelle from Fine Natural Hair and Faith, and in today's video I want to talk about ways that you can use henna but prevent it from drying your hair out. Now, in full disclosure, henna doesn't necessarily dry your hair out. It's just that you really need to balance all of that strength with moisture. If that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. So with cumulative use, henna can really strengthen your hair. So it is a great herb to have in your regimen from time to time. Now in a future video, I will share all of the ways that I use henna in my fine natural hair. I don't know if you can see here, but my hair is looking really reddish, really kind of like auburny. That is because I just did a full henna treatment, and all that reddish auburny color is my gray hair that I cover with henna. So let's look at how we can use henna and prevent it from drying our hair out. And the first way is going to be before the treatment. Apply henna to freshly washed hair. Your hair is a bit more porous and it would allow the henna to penetrate your strands better. If you're looking to just reap the benefits without the color, you can apply a light coating of avocado or almond oil to your strands. Number 2, during the treatment, mix the henna up, and after the dye has released, add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil or a tablespoon of aloe vera to the mix before applying. Number 3, after the treatment, make sure you deep condition. That is critical and important to balancing out all of that strength. This will restore the balance of moisture that your hair needs. You're going to want to use a deep conditioner sans protein, basically no protein. Sit with that for 30 minutes under a hooded dryer or a heat source so that the moisture can really penetrate. Then rinse your hair with warm water and proceed with your styling routine. Now alternatively, you can use henna as a gloss, which is basically mixing up your henna and applying it to conditioner, or you can use some leftover henna. Actually, the way that people typically do it is they take a tablespoon or 2 of henna and then they apply it to a conditioner, let it sit for a while. What I like to do also is, let's say I've mixed up a big batch of henna and I've done my whole head, but then I have a little bit left over. You can put that in the freezer and you can freeze it, or in the refrigerator if you're going to use it within a week or 2. And then what you do is you scoop that henna into your deep conditioner of choice, one that's really not heavy on protein in it already, and then you just mix it up and then apply it to your hair. So that's what I have done here in this video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know if you'd like to hear more tips on using henna in your hair, because it really is great for fine natural hair. I don't know if you've been a subscriber of mine for any length of time. Maybe you've noticed that my hair has gotten a bit fuller, a bit thicker, it's grown, and that is really, I attribute it to the different herbs that I use in my hair care regimen. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. God bless you. See ya.